Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy a domain on Wix. Let's begin. Buying a domain on Wix is a straightforward process that comes with several advantages, especially if you are building your website on their platform. If you are already logged into your account, in my case, I am on the Wix editor, there's going to be an option that says connect your domain because I'm working on deeplabs.com. When you hover your mouse on it, it says you can give your site a more professional look with their own branded domain. I want you to click on it. What will happen is you would be forwarded to this section wherein if you want a domain that comes with the Gplabs, for example, that's going to be my website. For example, I'm going to be clicking on the get it. It's available for me to grab. There are other options at the bottom, but I'm going to forward with this one. You have two options from here. You can get the domain for free with a premium plan. That means you get a benefit from a full site of premium features, including deeplabs.com for the first year, no Wix branding, 14-day money-back guarantee on all premium plans. But if you wanted to buy domain only, you won't be able to connect deeplabs.com to your site without upgrading with a premium plan, and you will pay full price for the domain. We're going to click the first option, click on continue. Now, as you can see, you have four options. You have the Business Elite, and that's going to be $46 per month, and you have all these perks and benefits. You can add like 15 collaborators within your website or domain. You have unlimited storage space, advanced marketing suite, deeplabs.com free for 1 year, advanced site analytics, it accepts payments, advanced e-commerce, and advanced developer platform. The recommended is gonna be the business, wherein you can grow your brand for $22 per month. You can add 10 collaborators, 100 gigabyte storage space, standard marketing suite, deeplabs.com free for 1 year, standard site analytics, accept payments, and standard e-commerce. If you're just scaling a little bit, you might want to purchase the core, wherein you can engage your audience for $11 per month. You can add 5 collaborators, which is going to be good if you're working with a few freelancers with their client or team members, wherein you can add 50 gigabyte storage space, basic marketing suite, basic site analytics, accept payments, and basic e-commerce. The cheapest would be the Lite, wherein you have 2 collaborators where you can add and 2 gigabyte of storage space. Lite marketing suite. And again, the domain is free for 1 year. If you want to compare plan features, you might want to hover to this. For example, I'm gonna be choosing the first one. The accepted payment methods is gonna be a credit card and others. I'm gonna select the Lite for now. What will happen is you would be forwarded here on the checkout section. You have 2 years, wherein you can save up to $84. If it's gonna be yearly, $7 for 12 months. That's gonna be $24 in savings. And if you wanted to have it monthly, you're gonna have like $9 per month. But please take note that monthly subscriptions do not include this free for 1 year. Basically, you're just paying it rental for a month, right? You can choose a yearly or multi-year subscription to get the most from your premium plan. Now, in this case, I'm going to be choosing the yearly. Click on this button and click on continue to checkout. You would be forwarded to this section wherein you just have to pay for these methods. You can use your credit card, wherein you just have to fill in the card number, expiration date, and first and your last name, and the CVV. You can also use PayPal. All you have to do is fill in your invoice details below and then continue to PayPal to complete your purchase. You'll return to Wix automatically once you are done. Or maybe if you wanted to create a payment request, choose which client will get this request. I am going to add my boss, and that's going to be the owner of the channel, Deeplabs. All right. Now, the payment will be completed once your client has received this message, and they'll be able to complete the purchases. You can use domain, vouchers, and manage subscription for this site. All they have to do is click on send request. All right. And your client can pay until November 2, 2024. I'm going to click on send request, and that's one of the multiple ways for you to be able to buy a domain on Wix. Another option is gonna be, for example, we're gonna search for the domain. Let's try to search if it's available. Alright, so it's already taken, but the alternative is gonna be deeplabs.net. If you want to click on it, or the this one, .biz, click on get it, and then you would be forwarded here. But the thing is, you might want to try the buy domain only. You see, again, you won't be able to connect deeplabs.com to your site without upgrading with a premium plan. Just click on continue. Let's see our options here, and it would be forwarded on the same section. But of course, this is going to be paying for the domain only. Don't want the premium plan or features. Just click on continue, and of course from here. Now, after purchasing your domain, you might want to try some of the essential features like domain name search. If you click that, you would be forwarded here. You can find your ideal domain name here. For example, we're going to put in deeplabs. Click on search, and you can establish your identity by clicking on this one. All right. Of course, these are going to be some of the suggested, or you can use the domain name generator. Again, search for your domain. Just for an example, click on search. These are going to be some of the ideas that you can work with. All right. It's taken, but of course, you can choose some of the great options below. You can load more. So basically, as you can see, the prices are different. There are like $34, some are $12, and load more, that's going to be that. Last option is going to be the Whois domain lookup. Similarly, all you have to do is enter the domain to see if you get an answer. Press enter. All right, now doing this, Wix simplifies the process of purchasing and renewing and managing domains. And of course, as you can see earlier, you can easily add or modify DNS, transfer the domain, or renew it within the Wix dashboard without any technical expertise. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.